It's 2025, and healthy living doesn't look the same as it did even a year ago. Forget the dusty diet books and outdated routines. This is your ultimate lifestyle plan, designed to upgrade your biology, elevate your mood, and boost your energy in ways you haven't experienced before. This isn't going to be a lecture. You won't hear the same old eat less sugar or walk more lines. Instead, you're getting next-gen habits that fit into your life naturally. And the best part is they're so enjoyable that they practically do themselves. 1. The light before bite morning rule. Trend circadian rhythm syncing is one of the biggest wellness buzzwords of 2025. Habit. Get sunlight within 10 minutes of waking before your first bite of food. Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, and sunlight is the master reset button. By getting natural light first thing in the morning, you send a clear signal to your brain that the day has begun. This kickstarts your metabolism, sharpens your focus, and sets you up for better sleep later that night. You don't need to work out or do anything intense. Just grab your morning coffee or tea, step outside, and let the light hit your skin and eyes. Even 5 minutes of sunlight can make a difference. Second movement. Snacks over gym marathons. Trend. Micro-workouts for busy schedules. Habit. Take short movement snacks throughout the day instead of forcing long gym sessions. You don't need to spend 2 hours in the gym to stay fit in 2025. Research now shows that short bursts of movement sprinkled throughout your day can be just as effective and much easier to maintain. Think of it like snacking on exercise. Do a 1-minute jump rope session between tasks. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, or do wall push-ups during a break. These mini workouts keep your blood sugar steady, improve circulation, and lift your mood without disrupting your schedule. Over time, they add up to serious fitness benefits without the guilt of skipping a real workout. 3. The mood plate. Trend nutritional psychiatry, the science of how food affects mood. Habit. Build at least one mood plate each day with ingredients that support your brain. The connection between food and mental health is stronger than ever in 2025. A mood plate is a meal built with ingredients that naturally boost your brain chemistry. Here's the simple formula: omega-3s from salmon, chia seeds, or walnuts to support brain health, leafy greens like spinach or kale for essential vitamins and minerals, fermented foods such as kimchi, yogurt, or sauerkraut to improve gut health, which in turn supports mood regulation. By making one meal a day a mood-boosting plate, you're not just feeding your body, you're actively caring for your mind. The fourth, the 90-second nervous system reset trend. Somatic stress relief techniques? Habit. Use a 90-second stress reset to release tension and refocus. Our bodies store stress in ways we don't always notice. Tight shoulders, clenched jaws, shallow breathing. Instead of pushing through, take 90 seconds to reset your nervous system. You can do this by shaking your arms and legs like you're shaking off water, stretching your spine slowly, or taking deep, deliberate breaths with a long exhale. These physical actions send a message to your brain that it's safe to relax, improving both mental clarity and emotional balance. 5. The dopamine budget. Trend digital minimalism 2.0. Intentional dopamine management. Habit. Spend dopamine wisely instead of letting tech drain it. Your brain's dopamine system is like a bank account. If you spend all your feel-good currency on quick hits, like endless scrolling or random notifications, you'll have less motivation and energy for the things that actually matter. A dopamine budget means deciding where you want to spend that energy. Plan small, meaningful boosts, read a chapter of a book in the sun, cook a new recipe, play a game with friends. By investing dopamine in activities that truly fulfill you, you'll notice a big difference in your focus, energy, and overall happiness. 6th, reverse bedtime routine. Trend, upgraded sleep hygiene. Habit, plan your bedtime by working backwards from your wake-up time. If you want 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, don't just set an alarm for waking up. Set an alarm for starting your wind down. For example, if you need to wake up at 6 a.m., count backwards 8 hours to know when you need to be asleep, then start winding down 30 to 60 minutes before that. Dim the lights, put away devices, and engage in calming rituals like reading or light stretching. Protect that time as if your income depended on it, because in many ways, your productivity, mood, and health do depend on it. Pick one of these habits and start it tomorrow. In just a few weeks, notice how your energy, mood, and motivation shift. Share your progress, inspire someone else, and let this be the year you truly take charge of your health.